Okay, folks, 8.8, number 10. This is the last one of the review problems that we're going to do. But it says find the length of the missing side of the triangle, of the right triangle. Okay? Now, you can see that this is a right triangle. It has a right angle up here at the top. Okay? Now, what are we going to use? Raise your hand. What are we going to use to find out that other side? Coolest?
We're going to use the Pythagorean method, which is...
The Pythagorean theorem, which is what?
Which is the a squared...
Yes, ma'am?
Plus b squared...
Yeah.
equals 6.
Beautiful. Okay? Now, be careful. Be careful looking at this triangle. You always want to be careful looking at these things because they may be flipped around. Okay? What number is in place of A? Or what number should we replace A with? Raise your hand. What do you think? Allison?
10.
Okay. Let's make it 10 squared.
Does it matter what number you do as A?
Well, it doesn't, but it does matter which one you put as C, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, hang.
C is the one
Okay.
you want.
All right, hang on. Well, I don't know if it is or not.
I think
Casey,
yes.
what should I put in place of B? No. Lou?
B, because 26 is the hypotenuse. 'cause
26
two
is the hypotenuse. Do you see it's opposite
Wait.
the right angle? This is a leg, because that makes up the right angle. And this is a leg, because that makes up the right angle. Hang on, Gray, let me finish talking. And the hypotenuse is the one that doesn't make up the right angle, and that's always C. Great, your question.
Kind of.
You figured it out? Good. Okay, so what should I replace C with, Luke?
26 squared.
26 squared. So what am I trying to find here? Luke?
B.
B, all right. So let's go ahead and start simplifying this. What do I do first? What do I get? Catherine?
Do exponents. So what are you talking about?
I'm talking about simplify it so we can find out what B
Yes,
is.
so it's 100.
Okay, so 100 plus B squared is equal to what? You have a calculator. Let me see. 676?
Yep. 676.
I'm just testing my own memory. Is that what it is, Captain? Okay, good. 676. Okay. Now, what do I do next, Catherine? Remember, I want to find out what B squared is. That means I want to get it by itself. I want it to say B equals blah. Okay. Is B by itself, Catherine? What's with it? Well, that's true. It is raised to an exponent, but there's also 100 with it, right? What's happening between the B and the 100? So how do I get rid of this 100? Cancel it with what?
What do you mean?
I mean, how do I make the 100 go away?
Subtract 100.
Okay, I want to subtract 100, but Catherine, this is algebra.
So letter 2, 1, letter 2 goes.
So I have to subtract 100 from over here. So that leaves me with B squared is equal to 576. But I don't want B to be squared. I want to undo that. How do I undo the square? Luke,
You square it.
I don't square it.
You square root it.
I square root it. All right? Take the square root of B squared. But this is algebra,
Yes, so
John
whatever-
McVie. So whatever I do to... This is algebra, so whatever I do to one,
Side.
I have to do to the other. So I got to take the square root over there. What do I have on the left side now? What happened to that B, John? Hey, over here. What's over here now? Just B. I undid the squaring with the square root. What do I get on the right side? Use the square root sign right above the 7.
Keep saying 7 times 7.
Okay. All right. Help me out then. Bennett. 24. Excellent. That was your next guess? So B up here is 24. And it is centimeters. Thank you, Gray. That's the unit.
Yeah, that's my favorite formula.
I love it. I love it. Helps out a lot.
I
Okay.
can't say the name.
All right. Nice job. I think you're ready for your test.
I